Important: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. In a world where our digital spaces often look like a storm of unsorted emails and endless notifications, could Feng Shui be the key to not just clarity, but also financial empowerment? What if the ancient wisdom of Feng Shui could clear the digital fog clouding your economic clarity? Welcome back to Mystica Finance, where ancient wisdom bridges with innovative financial strategies. Today, we dive into how Feng Shui can transform your online financial management, turning your digital chaos into a landscape of financial peace and prosperity. If you're ready to enhance your digital workspace and boost your financial flow, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to ring the bell for more enlightening content. Have you faced challenges in organizing your digital finances? Comment below with your biggest digital finance challenge. Feng Shui transcends the boundaries of physical spaces, extending its principles into the digital world where most of our financial decisions are made. By understanding how qi flows in your digital environment, you can create a space that enhances clarity, focus, and ultimately, financial success. Start by organizing your digital financial tools. Just as clutter in your office can block positive energy, unnecessary files or disorganized apps can hinder your financial chai. Optimize the layout of your digital banking and budgeting apps by grouping them according to their function, ensuring that each has a designated place that is easily accessible without feeling overwhelmed. Color plays a significant role in Feng Shui and can be a powerful tool in digital settings. For instance, green hues in your investment apps can enhance growth energy, while red might be used in trading apps to stimulate action and confidence. Even the background wallpaper of your devices can be tailored to foster financial success. Choose serene blues to calm the mind during financial reviews, or vibrant yellows to stimulate focus and energy during planning sessions. Now think about your current digital setup. Is it arranged in a way that promotes positive energy flow? Or could it use some Feng Shui enhancements? Share your current digital workspace setup in the comments, or drop a question on how you can Feng Shui your digital financial tools. Let's dive deeper into organizing your digital finance tools to maximize Feng Shui benefits. A well-organized digital finance system not only simplifies your life, but also enhances the energy flow, attracting more wealth and reducing stress. Begin by categorizing your apps. Group them by their purpose: savings, investments, daily transactions, and debt management. This separation aligns with the Feng Shui concept of designated areas for specific energies and purposes, making it easier to focus and make informed decisions. Ensure that each app is regularly updated and declutter any that are no longer in use to keep your digital space as fresh as your financial intentions. Next, tailor your notifications to support your financial mindfulness. Configure alerts that keep you informed but not overwhelmed. For example, set up balance updates for mornings, a time of day associated with new beginnings and clarity in Feng Shui, to start your day informed and in control. What's one digital tool or app that's transformed your financial management? Share your top app recommendations in the comments, or ask for tips on organizing a specific type of financial tool. Let's help each other create digital spaces that foster wealth and peace of mind. Now that we've organized our tools, let's enhance the digital qi or energy with thoughtful design elements. In Feng Shui, color, shape, and layout play crucial roles in influencing energy flows. Applying these concepts to your digital financial spaces can greatly enhance their effectiveness and your well-being. Consider incorporating calming colors like blue and green in your app interfaces and desktop backgrounds. These colors are associated with prosperity and calm in Feng Shui, making them ideal for financial management areas. They help maintain focus and reduce stress while managing your finances. Arrange the icons and information flow on your screen according to the Bagua map. For example, place your investment apps in the wealth area of your digital workspace, typically the top left corner, to enhance the energy surrounding your financial growth. Aim for a minimalistic design. Overly cluttered interfaces can lead to mental clutter, impeding your ability to make clear financial decisions. A clean and streamlined digital environment supports clearer thinking and better financial management. Take a moment to look at your current financial app or desktop setup. Does it reflect calm and control? If you have tips on how to design a stress-free digital finance space, or if you're seeking suggestions, let's discuss in the comments below. In Feng Shui, safeguarding your environment from negative influences is vital for maintaining positive qi. The same principle applies to your digital financial environment. Let's ensure your financial data is well protected, guarding against disruptions that could affect your wealth's energy flow. Begin by fortifying your accounts with strong, unique passwords combined with two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security, much like locking the main entrance of your home in Feng Shui to keep out unwanted energy. Use a VPN when accessing your financial information, especially on public networks. This acts like creating a protective barrier around your wealth area, preventing energy leaks and protecting against digital eavesdroppers. Keep your software up to date, much like maintaining the integrity of your home structure in Feng Shui. This prevents vulnerabilities and keeps your financial space secure. Additionally, install reputable security software to act as a guardian, much like a protective talisman in Feng Shui. How do you secure your digital financial spaces? Share your best practices or ask for tips in the comments below. Together we can build stronger, safer financial environments. Just as you would regularly clear and refresh the energy in your physical space using Feng Shui, your digital financial environment requires similar attention. Establishing routine checks ensures that your financial chai remains vibrant and unblocked. Utilize digital tools to set up alerts and reminders. Schedule these checks around the new moon or at the start of each season, times traditionally associated with new beginnings and renewal in Feng Shui. This aligns your financial management practices with natural energy cycles, enhancing their effectiveness. Create a monthly digital finance checklist. Include tasks like reviewing transactions for errors, reassessing your budget, and evaluating investment performance. Regular audits help prevent financial stagnation and ensure that your wealth energy continues to flow smoothly. What routines do you have in place to keep your digital finances in check? Share your strategies or learn from others in the comments below. Let's keep our financial energy flowing positively. The final step in optimizing your digital Feng Shui is crafting a workspace that isn't just functional, but also prosperous. Let's transform your digital environment into a powerhouse of productivity and financial success. Start with your digital layout. Arrange your financial apps and tools in an orderly manner on your screen. Place the most frequently used icons in easy reach, aligning them with the Feng Shui principle of simplicity and flow, which reduces stress and boosts efficiency. Enhance your digital backdrop with colors that attract prosperity. Greens signify growth, purples denote wealth, and golds reflect success. Choose themes and wallpapers that incorporate these colors to subtly boost the energy of abundance around your financial activities. Incorporate small Feng Shui widgets or digital symbols like an animated aquarium or a serene landscape. These not only beautify your workspace, but also serve as a constant reminder of abundance and prosperity. How have you personalized your digital workspace to enhance productivity and attract wealth? Share photos or tips in the comments below, and let's inspire each other with creative ideas. We've navigated through the realms of digital Feng Shui today, equipping you with tools to transform your online financial management into a serene, prosperous space. By applying these Feng Shui principles, You're not just organizing data. You're enhancing the flow of wealth into your life. Embrace these strategies. Experiment with your digital setup and observe the positive shifts in your financial energy. Remember, Feng Shui is about balance and flow, and now your digital spaces can reflect these principles too. Have you implemented any of our Feng Shui tips in your digital finance management? Share your experiences in the comments below, whether they've brought changes to your financial outlook or you have additional tips to offer. Let's build a community where everyone thrives financially. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mystica Finance. Hit the notification bell to never miss an episode filled with unique ways to align your financial practices with ancient wisdom. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.